Use Amazon Associate Ads to make money. Amazon popularized the idea of affiliate marketing online. Many successful internet affiliate marketers have started their career as Amazon associates. You can also be an associate and make money online. After all, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn extra from the internet. Get approved as an Amazon associate first. Log into your account, and then follow the random tips below on how to use Amazon Associate Ads and make money online. Banner ads. Every category in Amazon has a set of banner ads for associates' use. Choose your preferred banner ads by clicking on their code. You can use that on your website or other websites where you want to promote Amazon products. The good thing about banner ads is that they are image-like elements on a page. However, banner ads are already considered traditional ads that most internet users don't notice them anymore, unless the banner ad is an eye-catcher. Use the omakase. This is a special feature for Amazon associates where the website will choose the most relevant products based on your website's content and information. This will automatically change depending on what you are writing about in the website. Link products easily with QuickLiner. This is another special feature for Amazon associates. This is intended for easier linking of your affiliate code to certain phrases in the website. For instance, if you want to make referral link for Avatar movie, you don't have to log into your Amazon account anymore. Instead, you can edit the page's HTML and insert a code that will automatically link those phrases to Amazon. This will save you time from constant opening of your Amazon account just to insert similar links to similar phrases. Show the most relevant products on the Product Cloud. This is a widget that will show random keywords in a box. The most noticeable, which is usually the bigger fonts, are the mostly used keywords in your website. The reader can click on one of the keywords in the Product Cloud and that will automatically direct to your affiliate link to Amazon. Pointing the mouse over the keyword will usually show short information about Amazon products. Make a slideshow of products. You might have already used a slider of products on eBay. Amazon associates can use the same feature. But first, select the products that you want to be included in the product slideshow. The potential buyer can easily surf the suggested products by clicking on the images. They don't have to open a new page to do this because once the image is clicked, information about the product it represents will show up. Show previews of for sale videos. so you are on selling DVDs, TV shows, and movies. A good way of marketing for these digital products is to show potential buyers the quality of these videos. You can use the Amazon's Unbox for that. You select video products and have their previews using the Unbox. Display the best deals. Amazon associates can display the best seller on Amazon by using the deal of the day, best deals, and lightning deals of the company. The ways mentioned above are only some of the ways of using Amazon associate ads to generate online income. Explore more of the company's offered services. Amazon is known for continuously evolving marketing strategies. Take advantage of this and learn from the expert. As you learn more, you also get to earn more from marketing Amazon products.